Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 15, Test 2, the Writing Task 2. How to write a 2-question essay. Nowadays, many people complain that they have difficulties getting enough sleep. What problems can lack of sleep cause, and what can be done about lack of sleep? Now, this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, discuss the problems that lack of sleep can cause. In para 2, discuss what can be done about lack of sleep. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now, in the introduction, describe the task. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle to get adequate sleep, and this can lead to a number of physical as well as psychological health issues. In this essay, I will discuss the various aspects that lead to sleeplessness and what can be done to overcome it. Now, in para 1, discuss the problems that lack of sleep can cause. The lack of sleep can affect a person's ability to function and focus on the work at hand. Additionally, not getting enough sleep can weaken the immune system and increase the likelihood of getting sick more often. It can also lead to mood swings and irritability, causing conflicts with friends, family, or classmates. And lastly, sleep deprivation can increase the risks of accidents, especially when doing tasks that require attention, like driving or operating machinery. Now, in para 2, discuss what can be done about the lack of sleep. Fortunately, there are a number of steps that can be taken to improve sleep habits. Firstly, it is important to maintain a consistent bedtime routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, and even sometimes on weekends. Avoiding stimulating activities before bedtime, like playing video games, watching the television, or using electronic gadgets, can be like a signal to the body that it is now time to sleep. Furthermore, practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can help calm people's minds and promote better sleep. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, by prioritizing sleep, adopting healthy habits, and avoiding doing things that could activate a person's mind closer to sleep time, can improve his overall well-being, and this could avoid the negative consequences of sleep deprivation. The next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.